Hello everybody.
This is a stupid thing I like to do. It's called chair ball. Ready, AJ? Ugh. You see the chair? This is what we're playing baseball with. Ready? Go! Foul ball! Okay, let's try this again, AJ. Dang, this thing's a little heavy. What the hell is that called? That's a regular hit. Run! Run the bases. I gotta touch you with the ball. Okay, your turn. Awesome. Everyone, see my Babe Ruth shot? I'm calling my shot. Do not hit me with that chair. Just a couple more swings till I strike out or hit it. Oh shit, that hit you!
I told you not to fucking throw it at me. Stop it.